recording.
Hey, how are you? I'm glad you're here with me. We're on 28 yet again. This time I am north of Franklin, heading to 74. This part of 28 is Bryson City Road. And it's still 75 degrees on the 15th of June. So when you people hear, when you hear your friends and whatever say it's too hot to ride in North Carolina in the summertime, today's high is supposed to be 76. So don't believe everything you hear. Weather's weather, it's the same everywhere you go. Sometimes there's nice days in the mountains, sometimes there's perfect days in the mountains. So far, today's been a perfect day. Some dummy from Georgia did call me an a-hole, though. And I hate to say it, she's probably the bigger jerk than I am. Because I was zipping down 28 from Highlands to Franklin. And I caught up to her in her black Land Cruiser. You can see it on my other video. She did not want to do the speed limit. And I couldn't just pop around her because I had a deputy behind me. And they frown on that. And she wasn't about to use the pull-off. Well, when we got to the gas station, I pulled in and I went right to the first open pump. She went to the second entrance to the gas station. And then turned into the pump where I was at. And she looked at me and mouthed the words, "a-hole" to me. Unfortunately, I had a helmet on or she'd have seen me laughing because it was funny. And I was thinking to myself, you can't even drive the speed limit on 28 and you're calling me an a-hole. When me and the deputy sheriff wanted to at least go. We wanted to go. That road's fun enough at 35, 40 miles an hour. She wanted to do 20. And then brake in every turn. Gotta love tourists. You just gotta love tourists. And it's not just tourists, it's all the entitled jerks that are out there nowadays. Seems like half the planet's entitled these days. They're still breastfeeding and they're entitled. If that's you I'm talking about, it's time for you to grow up. Look, there's a Bigfoot up in that front yard. See the Sasquatch? See it? I don't know if I've ever noticed that before. I only come through here once a week. This is a lot of trucks just parked on the side of the road through here. There's even more down there. At the price of scrap steel right now, this might be the time to get rid of them. Like right here, these trailers could go clear up the side of the road a little bit. This road sucks when you have to chase a Chinese truck. This road used to be 55. I came around this turn one day at 55 miles an hour on my 848. My knee was on the pavement. I had a guy named Ryan right behind me on a CBR 1000. His knee was on the pavement, and there was a trooper coming at us. The trooper lit us up with radar, which startled the crap out of me when my radar detector started blinking in my eye.